Hey there! Have you ever wondered how the CIA finds and trains the geniuses behind some of the world's most secretive cyber operations? Well, today, we're diving deep into the hidden world of digital espionage. Welcome to Bluehat Cybersec Academy. In the 21st century, intelligence work isn't what it used to be. It's not just eyes on the ground or whisper networks in foreign capitals. Today, it's firewalls, zero-day exploits, digital espionage, cyber war rooms where keyboard warriors work silently, sometimes unseen, to protect or project national power. At the heart of this effort, the CIA is now focused on recruiting and training top cyber talent, people who can defend U.S. interests in the digital world, and even carry out high-stakes offensive operations. A little-known but increasingly vital part of the CIA's mission is its Directorate of Digital Innovation, or DDI. This is the agency's hub for cyber capabilities, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and digital tradecraft. It was created in 2015 to unify technical functions and help the agency win in the digital domain. In other words, modern espionage isn't just clandestine meetings or secret codes anymore. It's red team exercises, cyber defense strategies, and covert penetration of foreign networks. Finding the best cyber talent. Recruiting cyber talent is a different challenge than traditional spy work. The CIA isn't just looking for linguists or diplomats. They need hackers, coders, security researchers, and digital natives, universities and internships. The CIA actively reaches into universities to find talent early. Through student programs and internships, undergraduates in IT, engineering, and cybersecurity fields get real-world experience, and sometimes catch the agency's attention before they even graduate. These programs can include pay, semester-long placements, and exposure to classified cyber work. Recruiting officers visit career fairs, speak to computer science clubs, and highlight opportunities in digital innovation, coding competitions, and capture the flag events. Across the internet, cybersecurity competitions, called CTFs, or capture the flag events, challenge participants to exploit vulnerabilities, solve cryptography puzzles, reverse engineer software, and demonstrate real-world hacking skills. The CIA values these public demonstrations of talent. Open source portfolios, bug bounty achievements, or strong performance in CTFs can make a coder stand out in a crowded field. Online forums, code repositories, and bug bounties. Talented programmers often leave clues of their skill online, in forums, GitHub projects, or bug bounty leaderboards. While the CIA doesn't advertise this publicly, watching where talent congregates online is a known tactic in intelligence recruitment. Of course, being noticed is just the first step. Getting in is only the beginning. All applicants, cyber or otherwise, go through strict background checks, security clearance vetting, interviews, polygraphs, and psychological evaluations. They're tested not only for skill, but also for loyalty, judgment, trustworthiness, and the ability to handle sensitive missions. After all, cyber roles can influence diplomatic outcomes, national infrastructure, and international relations. The CIA wants people who can perform under pressure, without risk of compromise. Once hired, recruits often train at CIA University, the agency's internal academy. There, they build expertise in cyber tradecraft, digital operations, intelligence analysis, and classified systems. Training blends hands-on experience with theory, including simulated cyber attacks, offensive operations exercises, and red team, blue team drills. Every scenario is designed to mimic real-world operations, with legal and ethical boundaries firmly in place. Cyber professionals at the CIA don't just protect networks. Their roles are strategic and varied. One mission is defending the agency's digital infrastructure and critical U.S. systems from foreign threats. That includes malware analysis, intrusion detection, network defense, and threat intelligence operations. In specialized units, engineers also develop tools for offensive cyber operations, exploiting vulnerabilities, or planting malware on targeted systems. This work is highly secret and generally targets high-value foreign networks rather than mass surveillance. Because offensive cyber capabilities can escalate international conflict, this work operates under strict legal oversight. Cyber recruits also gather digital intelligence, everything from open-source analysis to infiltrating secure networks to collect foreign intelligence. Their work feeds broader assessments that guide policymakers' decisions. The classic image of a spy slipping notes across a cafe table has changed. Now spies might be coders analyzing terabytes of data, reverse engineering malware, or tracking adversaries through encrypted networks. For the CIA, this shift means investing not just in technology, but in people, individuals who are passionate about digital problem-solving, ethical hacking, and strategic thinking. From university campuses to global competitions, the hunt for talent is relentless and global. The CIA's cyber recruitment program isn't about flashy ads on streaming platforms. It's a quiet, precise hunt for the brightest minds in code, security, mathematics, and digital analysis. From internships and campus outreach to competitive hacking and online portfolios, the agency is building an elite cadre of cyber professionals, people who can defend national interests, conduct covert digital operations, and shape global affairs, all from behind a keyboard. In the digital era, the best hackers don't hide in basements. They might just be shaping the future of espionage. Now, I have a challenge for you. If you were designing a CIA cyber recruitment program, where would you look for talent first? Universities, online forums, or coding competitions? And what do you think is more important for a cyber spy, raw coding skill, or the ability to think like an adversary? Drop your answers in the comments. I'll be reading them. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bluehat Cybersec Academy for more. And if you're curious about the secret lives of digital spies, check out our playlist, The Spy Who Hacked Me. Until next time, stay curious and stay secure.